I'm Danny Smith, and today we're going in the field with Semper Home Inspections. Today we're talking about carbon monoxide detectors, where they're supposed to be installed and how to test them. Carbon monoxide detectors are supposed to be installed in the hallways near the sleeping areas or the bedrooms, so they can wake occupants at night if they sense carbon monoxide. This one, you simply test it by pushing the push to test button and seeing if it sounds off. They're easy to install. You can put them near the ceiling, or they can be installed near the floor with a plug-in type. At Semper Home Inspections, we put in all our reports whether you have carbon monoxide detectors for your safety and peace of mind.